Good morning. It's Wednesday, June the 3rd. It had a hard shower about a half hour ago. I think it's supposed to rain about all day today. But we're just ready to leave for Hailey's kindergarten graduation.
Pray. Dear God, thank you for our family, friends, and teachers. Thank you for our minds that think and the knowledge you gave us to learn. Amen.
Hailey Sarcinelli received our Certificate of Academic Excellence, our top student, and our top reader award.
Ah, Woodpecker?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a knife to cut the thing, or unless you think you can get it out. See if you can get it out. But I think you'll have to have a knife.
Oh, how about scissors?
Yeah, scissors. Yeah, I can't. I don't. See if it'll pull out now.
Yeah.
I think that's it. See if it'll unhook. It's underneath it.
Oh, I need one here. Here. Oh, okay. I did it all. Now I got.
You
Is
ready?
that blood on his neck?
It's probably from my finger. Look at the sharp toenails.
Oh, okay.
See how big they are? You ready?
Yeah.
He might not come back. Boy, I tell you, they gouged. I bet he won't come back.
Now he's checking out Facebook to see what's going on in the world. Looking at pictures of Hailey with her awards. Lunch is ready. We're having fried ham with new potatoes picked with Parmesan and squash and onion sauteed. And then for dessert, we're going to have frozen yogurt with fresh raspberries over it.
Out of the garden.
Out of the garden. And the squash and the potatoes came out of the garden too, so. As Larry likes to say, it's a cheap meal.
That's right.
Dessert is ready. Can't wait to dig in. This is where the stump was last week that Larry was cutting up in wedges and was going to cover up, and he's got it done. All smooth and ready to mow. Looks good. Larry put straw around his watermelon plants, and then he put pine straw in front of it. And now he's going to put mulch around these cantaloupe. Well, here's all the watermelon there, mulched, and the straw around them. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. About 14 plants up. All the way up through there. And then he's got his row of tomatoes, and they're all mulched. And now Larry's tomato plants, he's got that one in a cage, and then he's got a couple of cayenne pepper plants. And then he's got some of his tomatoes staked and a few in cages. But it looks pretty. There'll be more tomatoes. And he's got the leaves all under the strawberries now.
They'll do good now if I can get rid of these trees. Too much shade.
Plants look healthy and they're blooming. And I see some green strawberries. We can just keep the possums out. Oh, and some red strawberries.
Couple.
Mm-hmm. And those over there are blackberries. And then up there is cucumbers. Now the moss rose are blooming all over the tub. Well, it didn't rain all day like I thought it would, but it rained a lot of it, just off and on showers. We didn't go to church tonight. We're both tired. Larry did too much today and his hip was hurting again. And then I was just tired, so we're just staying home. We still got a lot to do. I went through all the canned goods today and got things together to take with us when we go. And I made a long grocery list of things I have to get to replace what I'm taking. So it's just been a busy day, and I'm gonna edit this and maybe go to bed early. Good night, David.